Right, now this is another Era Fortress deadbolt version. I haven't removed the hard plate on this one, so I'm going to pick it with my RB pick, or at least I'm going to try to do it. There we go, lock and loaded. Right to the back of the pack. Nice little gentle lifts, work my way through the pack. Nope, that's gone into a false gate. That click back, so you just got to reset then, start again. Just do the same process. Just lift them up one at a time. So there, one went down. Usually takes me a couple of minutes to pick this one. I think I've gone into another full set already. Yep. You know the second that you go into it, because there's a little bit of give, it moves like a, well, you can see the bolt probably moving a couple of mil. But you can feel it on the curtain pick itself. Obviously moves a little bit. And then if you feel the levers, you'll know you're in a false gate, because you won't be able to lift up any of the levers anymore. There might be in another one actually. I think. No. Yeah. Right, I'm going to try picking from the front first. Ooh. Yeah, false one. Just try and lift them. The front one's a little bit higher then. Another false gate, and I'm making the old mistake of getting slightly frustrated. It's okay. Try again. I'm pretty new at picking. I've had this curtain pick for about 7 or 8 months, I guess. Oh, I thought I had it then. Oh. Another false gate. Oops. No, the pick just got stuck between two levers then, so I'm just going to put it back in. Right. Just going to try lighter tension. I've picked this lock I think twice.
I'm getting in that trap. Oh, I feel that. I'm alright. I'm giving Lindsay a bath. I'm trying to pick this lock. Is it causing you grief? Yeah, it is actually. It's called an Era Fortress. Is that the one you sent through? The one that was sent through is over there. The competition one. The one in the background there. Yeah. That's the one that got sent to me. This is the old version. Ah, another false trap. Oh. 5-minute break. Oh, let's try again. Anyone counting? Oh. If I come across one of those on a job, there we go, look, see, persistence. Okay, so that took me, over 5 minutes, yeah, maybe 6 minutes, but it's still quicker than getting a good in the hole, and got a hole in the lock, got a hole in the door, you know, I'll just, so that the door's open now, yeah, right, nice one. I'll just open it now for you while it's still there, and, oh, where's my screwdriver? Put them away, so it's this one. I'll just open it while it's still in the vise, so you can see these, traps. Oops, put that in there. So everything doesn't come flying out.
I'll just tilt it back slightly. Right, so that's the deadbolt. There we go. I'll just get this first lever off. So can you see the bolt stump, which is there? It's got to go through these gaps, right? So you've got to lift them up to there, so that the bolt can go through, right? So you're lifting them up individually, and what's happening is the bolt is getting stuck in this little bit here. Put it against here. So you want to lift it up so the bolt can come through this gap, which is pretty thin. But you lift it up, and you don't lift it up high enough, and it gets stuck in here. And on some of them, no, they're all at the top, aren't they? So it's getting stuck there. So that's when I keep on having to reset. But be persistent; it'll pick open. I mean, you know, you can pick it a lot quicker than that. It could have gone the first time, it could have gone the second, it could have gone the third, it went probably on the 10th time, which is fine. So, as long as you get it open in the end, it's alright, isn't it? So there you go, that's the Era Fortress being picked by Picking Paul. Pretty nice. So if I was going to drill a hole though, I'd drill a hole there, right? Quickly do this because I'm running out of time. Oh, 7 gauge Era Fortress. So you get that to there. Lift them buggers up to there. Right. Oops, just drop there. So you can see the, just take these out. The bolt will go in and out there now, yeah? So you want to get it, you've got to get them all lifted up to that height, and then that will push through like that. And you're in. Brilliant.